Okay, this is a video in response to last request for a video to show what I meant in my comment to the video done by This Old House Tom on how to bisect angles for cutting mitres. Now, like I said in my response to the comment, I haven't got anything to set up, so I'll have to do it by simulating it with pieces of paper. So I'm not so sure whether you meant the first bit or the bit with the angles, the internal angle. I'll explain. I'll do both of them. So the first one I mentioned about the comment that you don't have to draw lines right across. This is the angle, and what Tom done was put a bit of batten here and a bit of batten here, and then he drew lines straight across, one there, and then when he'd done that, he then joined those lines up. What I meant was that you don't actually have to draw the line straight across. You only have to do the first part of the line here, of this line, and the first part of the line here, of this line. Then all you need to do is connect this part of the line and this part of the line, and it's the same with the other one. Now that's not lined up exactly, but that's sort of what I meant. In fact, that would have been better if I put the line here. So if we do the other one on here, this isn't going to be as precise as the way he done it, because I'm only doing a general thing here. So that's one there, join the lines up, his lines would have gone straight across there, and this would be unnecessary. So you join the lines up where they're on the, just make this one bigger, where they touch the edge of the batten, so from there to there. So if you cut those, I don't know how well this is going to be picked up on the video, but if you see, that's roughly done it. So that's what I meant by not needing the lines going right across. As far as the internal one is concerned, because the external one's crossed over, oops, you're not seeing my hands, because the external one's crossed over, you could then mark where you needed to. Internally, you can't get them to cross over, because you can't make them go further than the inside of the angle. So all you do is put one into the angle and the other one into the angle. Well, actually, before you do that, you mark the corner bit, which is going to be your first mark, and where you've got this one crossing over this one, you make your mark there, and you do the same thing. You put one underneath the other, again mark here, making sure this is up against this side and this one is up against the other side. Push right in, and again you make a mark here. You don't need to mark all the way across, just the same principle, two marks, and there's one mark, there's the other mark. Now I'm going to join these up as they are, but if this was a bit of timber you wouldn't want to be cutting on the corner, so I would say probably measure the marks into the timber this way and then join them up, so you're not cutting onto the corner. But I'll just, because this is just a demonstration on a piece of paper, I'll just join the lines there again on this one. So you've got the lines from the corner to here, but like I say, it would probably be better off if you marked 5 to 10 mil in that way, 5 to 10 mil in that way, and then draw the lines that way, so you're cutting on the edge rather than on the corner. And you saw that one. You saw that one. That's good enough. And if you put that one in and that one in, that's it, there you go. And in both instances, whether it's an internal or an external angle, that line, well, it probably doesn't look like it from that, but it's not going to be that accurate with the way I'm doing it. That line should be dead center in between the two angles, which it roughly is. So that's basically it. Okay.